Hello friends, welcome to LMSA. So in this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI tools. So that will be very helpful for you to analyze your reference papers in order to make literature review. And also you can understand your reference papers even better using that respective AI tools. These tools will be very useful for you to upload your reference paper and you can ask any questions you want related with that reference paper and get your reference papers analyzed very better. And then if you want to further ask any questions related with the paper, you can use the same tool to ask questions also. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tools and how you can use the AI tools for your research paper writing. First, I am going to discuss about chat PDF. So many of you may aware about this chat PDF. So here you will be having an option called chat. So in this, you have to upload your document. So I am going to upload my document. Go to desktop. This is my PDF. So just click on this PDF. Upload automatically the PDF will be generated here. It will give automatically the summary of the paper. What you want to do, you can use. So this is the paper, a brief explanation of that respective paper what we have uploaded. So after that, so these are the possible questions you can ask with the paper. So you can just click on how does the differential evaluation gray wolf optimization improve random forest parameter tuning. So if you just click on that respective questions, so it will generate and it will provide answer for you. So in the same way, what are the different things you want, you can get the answers. So if you want to ask your own questions to that respective template, you can do that also in this chat PDF. For example, I am going to give what are the future scope of the paper. Like that, I am going to give an input prompt like this. This is the future scope. It will generate the future scope of the paper. Thereby, you can get an idea how to proceed this research further in order to make improvement in this respective work. So this is how you can use this chat PDF to analyze your research paper or your reference papers. So in the same way, you can upload your PDF and you can analyze this easily. This having an option to upload PDF only. So if you're having some results, so Excel sheets, so you cannot able to upload in this respective chat with PDF kind of tools. So you can upload just to only upload the PDF files. And also you can get a overall analysis only. You cannot get page wise analysis of the respective papers. This is how you can use this chat PDF to analyze your content. In the same way, there are many tools are available in market as like chat PDF. There are many tools are available. So in the same way, you can use this ask your PDF also. So you can just upload the document and that document will be get analyzed. So it will upload, it will take several seconds to upload the document, and then you can make a conversation with that respective document easily. Upload is successful. Just click on this and just click start conversation. So it will leads to a dashboard and it will provide some conversation. So here you can see that our paper will be uploaded here. So it will, this is the paper, the same paper what we have uploaded. So it will provide a, again it will provide a brief summary of that paper, and then it will provide the possible questions can be asked in that respective paper. So what is random forest algorithm and how it is used in solar power forecasting, like the different things are presented. So if you want to use the same question, so just click on the question and proceed to go. So it will analyze that respective questions with this paper and it will provide a detailed answer for you. This is how you can analyze your paper using this respective ask your PDF. By giving prompt only, you can analyze your paper. This is how this ask your PDF will works. So in the same way, if you, in this also, what is the problem is that, so if you are having any Excel sheet or results, so if you want to upload any Word file, that will be a problem. You cannot upload. You can upload only a PDF file only. So here in this LMS templates, so you can go to lmssolution.net.in. You can just click on LMS templates. There is 4 different options: chat with PDF, chat with Excel, chat with Word or text, then chat with PDF text. So in this, I'm going to just click on chat with PDF. So it leads to the template, chat with PDF template. You have to choose your file. So I'm going to choose the file here. Click on upload. So it will take several seconds and your paper will be uploaded. So here these are the possible questions you can ask with this respective paper. Main findings of the paper, summarize the paper, explain the results of the paper. So I am going to give explain the results of the paper and then just click on send. It will analyze that respective paper very deeply and then it will provide answer for you. So this is one way where you can analyze your content very better. It will take its own time and it will generate the content. So here comes the perfect explanation of that respective paper, that is the results of the paper. And then in the same way as like in the tool we have discussed it before, these are the possible research questions that can be asked in this paper. How does the RF model combine? What strategies can be employed further to improve the stability of neural network model and PV prediction? For example, if you want to proceed this conversation further, you can copy this question and then you can add here and then just click on send. Again, it will analyze all the documents and it will provide answer for you. It will take some time, it is thinking. So here comes the answer for that respective question. Again, the possible research questions can be asked in this PDF. This is an way to analyze your PDF in this LMSA. So next one is that chat with the Excel sheets. So if you are having some Excel sheets, in this Excel sheets you can choose your file. So here I am having some Excel sheet here, random data related with my results. So you can go back to that respective template, choose your file to upload. This is the file I am having, just click on upload. So you can upload your Excel sheets. So it will analyze the Excel sheet. Again, the same way the window will be appear. Summarize the paper or sheet, whatever you want, you can give as your wish as a prompt. This Excel sheet will be analyzed using this chat with the Excel template and it will provide better content for you. This is how you can analyze Excel sheet, because this is a unique template which is specially designed to analyze your results. So you will be having your results in Excel sheets, so you can analyze easily. So here comes the detailed analysis of the Excel sheet and it will again produce the possible research questions can be asked with that Excel sheets. So this is how you can use this chat with Excel sheet template. So the next template is that chat with text or chat with Word file. Just click on this chat with Word file. This is the dashboard of this chat with Word file. You can just click on the option and you can upload the paper and you can do the same as like in chat with PDF. So you can give the main findings of the paper. So like that you can give an input prompt. Based upon that, it will analyze that respective Word file and then it will provide results for you. So it will take some time to analyze, because every research paper will be deeply analyzed and it will provide perfect answer for you. So this is how you can get the summarized results and main findings of that respective paper. And the same way you can ask the further questions to this respective template itself. So in this LMSA, there are different formats you can upload: chat with PDF, chat with Excel and chat with Word or text. So these are the three important options available in one single AI tool. So you can make use of this option rather than other AI tools where you can upload only documents. So you can upload your Excel sheets also. So if you are struggling to explain the results present in your Excel sheet, this will be very useful for you to make the results explanation, and also you can analyze that respective Excel sheet very deeply. So if you are having a large number of data, this is how you can make use of this LMS AI templates and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Go on and explore all these AI tools and check our LMS AI templates. This will be very useful for you to analyze your reference papers, and also you can get a better idea about your reference paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.